What's good, my people? Back again with another video. Just before I get into this one, as always, I need to request every single person watching to please like, comment, share, subscribe. Check out all the content, all the videos, everything. And let's get straight into this one. So yes, it is a very crusty box. And the reason for that is because it's one of those new Nike boxes that they send with a label on, this Next Nature stuff. So yeah, it comes in this box. So it actually explains kind of why the box is how it is. So this is a shoe box, but it's more than that. It's all-in-one storage, shipping and return box, which helps reduce the amount of material we use. It's made from 90% recycled materials, and you can recycle it. A shoebox that does a lot with less. Personally, I get where they're going with it, but I hate these boxes, man. I really hate these boxes. Hopefully they find something else, but I'm not a fan of these boxes. Enough about the box. Let's get straight into the pair. These are known as the Greedy 4.0. I'm just going to call them that, even though they're not really a Greedy 4.0. They're just whatever. So it's a Nike Air Max 95 Next Nature. That's what they're called. Or Greedy 4.0. So whatever. We'll go through the colors and everything, and then we'll discuss it further. So at the bottom we've got like this royal blue and black sole. Midsole is all white, plain white, and the bubbles are actually white as well, so the air bubbles inside. At the bottom we've got like a creamish kind of bit of felt material. Then we've got grey. Then the grey gets darker, so it's like a gradient, but it's a bad gradient if I'm honest. And then we've got that Volt swoosh. Then the mesh we've got is blue. Toe box is that felt material as well in a grey. Don't like it. Then the mesh is black. So on both sides, tongue's black with some 3M. And then, you know, that standard Air Max logo with the colours that this shoe has. So a bit of Volt because of the swoosh. Then the blue and then the burgundy. And then they are like 3M laces. And the same gradient inside. If I'm honest, this is a lazy attempt at making actual greedies. Like, I could have designed a better pair. This is just lazy. And if I'm honest, this is a rubbish pair. I'm not happy with them at all. However, due to the price I got them for, I'm happy with that. And they're an okay standard casual pair. But hype, anything like that, special, nah, they're just not for me. But yeah, I don't really have much more to say. It was kind of a negative review on these. You know, if it's gonna be a greedy next time, Nike, man, make a proper greedy, not just this laziness. This is a last minute deadline design, honestly, man. But yeah, decent shoe for the price I paid. That's about it, to be honest. Make sure you like, comment, share, subscribe. Check out all the other videos, all the other content. Got plenty of videos out, plenty of videos coming. If you wait a few moments, you'll see an on foot video of these, so you can see what they look like on foot, which is pretty decent, to be honest. And yeah, I'll also post it separate, and I don't have anything else really to say. Take care, my people.